Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best table saw stands with wheels that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional contractor, having a reliable stand for your table saw can make a huge difference in your workflow. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At rank number 5, we have the Dewalt DW7440RS Rolling Table Saw Stand. This stand is specifically designed to be compatible with Dewalt models like the DW744 and DW745, making it a tailored option for owners of these saws. Its lightweight design, combined with durable rolling wheels, allows for effortless transport between job sites or storage areas. The quick fold mechanism means setup and breakdown are a breeze, saving you time and hassle. It's also built with heavy-duty materials, ensuring stability and durability even in demanding work environments. In terms of design, the stand is compact and easy to maneuver, making it ideal for tight spaces or professionals who need mobility. Weighing just 25 pounds, it's one of the lighter options on the list. But don't let that fool you. It's built to withstand significant wear and tear. However, the lack of specific weight capacity information may be a limitation for users with heavier table saws or additional equipment. The Dewalt DW7440RS shines as an efficient solution for Dewalt table saw owners who want convenience and portability. That said, its compatibility limitations may make it less appealing for users with saws from other brands. Pros include its lightweight build, quick fold design, and durable construction. Cons include limited compatibility and the absence of weight capacity details. Overall, it's a solid entry-level option for specific use cases. Coming in at number 4 is the Tomax TMMS 051 Rolling Foldable Table Saw Stand. This versatile stand boasts a robust 330-pound weight capacity, making it suitable for various table saws and similar equipment. Its portability is enhanced by 8-inch wheels that allow smooth maneuvering over different surfaces, while the quick fold lever ensures easy setup and storage. The heavy-duty alloy steel construction provides excellent durability and stability, ensuring your saw stays secure during operation. When it comes to design, the TMMS 051 is both functional and stylish, featuring solid steel plates for added support. The universal adaptability makes it a great choice for anyone working with multiple saw types, and its 39.9-pound weight strikes a balance between portability and sturdiness. However, its bulkier dimensions may not suit users with limited storage space, and the absence of assembly requirements can be a double-edged sword for users who prefer customizable setups. The Tomax TMMS 051 is ideal for professionals or DIYers who need a reliable stand for heavy-duty work. Its main strengths are its high weight capacity, durable construction, and universal adaptability. On the downside, it's slightly larger and heavier than some competitors, which may impact portability for certain users. All things considered, this stand offers excellent value for those prioritizing strength and stability over compactness. At number 2, we have the POWERTEC NT4009 Table Saw Stand. This model is a budget-friendly option that doesn't compromise on features. With a 330-pound load capacity and a foldable design, it's an excellent choice for users who need a portable, durable stand. Its 8-inch high-traction wheels make it easy to transport, while the automatic locking pin release lever ensures quick setup and breakdown. Universal design accommodates a wide range of table saws, making it a versatile addition to your workshop. The POWERTEC MT4009 stands out for its heavy-duty steel tubular frame, which provides impressive stability during use. At 39.9 pounds, it's not overly heavy, making it manageable for most users. Its compact dimensions allow it to be stored vertically or horizontally, adding to its convenience. However, some users have noted that its assembly instructions could be clearer, which might result in a slightly longer setup time for first-time users. This stand is ideal for DIY enthusiasts and budget-conscious buyers who need a reliable and portable solution. Pros include its high weight capacity, foldable design, and universal compatibility. Cons include slightly unclear assembly instructions and a basic design that may lack premium features found in higher-priced models. Overall, the POWERTEC MT4009 is a fantastic value option that delivers solid performance. Taking the number one spot is the Dewalt DW7440RS rolling table saw stand. This premium option is designed with both professionals and hobbyists in mind, offering unmatched portability and performance. Weighing just 33 pounds, it delivers 20% less weight than other competitive mobile stands, making it a breeze to transport. The heavy-duty kickstand allows it to balance upright for storage, while the wide base and offset rear legs provide superior stability and support for material feed control. Its quick connect stand brackets enable fast detachment from the saw, making loading and unloading effortless. Constructed from heavy-duty aluminum, it can withstand loads up to 200 pounds. The retractable soft grip handle is a thoughtful touch, allowing users to comfortably pull the saw behind them. Large wheels make it easy to navigate curbs, steps, and debris, ensuring it's ready for any job site challenge. However, its slightly lower weight capacity compared to some competitors may be a consideration for users with heavier equipment. The Dewalt DW7440RS is perfect for users who demand portability, stability, and premium features. Pros include its lightweight design, quick connect brackets, and durable construction. Cons are its higher price point and lower weight capacity. Overall, this stand is the ultimate choice for those who want the best performance and convenience in a portable table saw stand. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.